Now, Amazon is flooded with beard trimmers making big claims, and a lot of these brandless models are straight up disappointing. So if you're lost in endless listings and confusing specs, then don't worry, I've got you covered. After spending hours digging through details, watching countless reviews and trying out a few myself, I found the 5 best adjustable beard trimmers from Amazon. And don't forget that if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the beard trimmers in the description below. Okay, great. Well, let's start off with the budget champion that does it all. The Philips Multi-Groom Series 9000 2-in-1 Body Grooming Kit. Oh yeah. So when I first unboxed the Philips Multi-Groom Series 9000, I immediately saw why it's perfect for guys who want everything in one package without breaking the bank. This isn't just a beard trimmer, it's a complete grooming system that replaces basically every grooming tool that you'd ever need. And what makes this stand out is the 24-in-1 design. You get a steel trimmer, extra wide hair trimmer, body shaver, nose and ear trimmer, stubble combs, adjustable hair combs, fading combs, eyebrow comb, and even a skin protect guard. It's like having an entire barbershop in one compact kit. The real game changer here is the advanced beard sense technology. Now this thing automatically adjusts power based on your hair thickness. So whether you've got fine facial hair or a thick coarse beard, it delivers smooth, even cutting in one pass. No more going over the same spot multiple times or dealing with painful tugging. Ow. The precision trimming comb gives you exact length control with adjustments down to 0.2 millimeters, which is incredibly detailed for styling. I've used this feature for creating clean lines and getting the perfect fade, and the control you get is honestly impressive for this price point. Now, what I really appreciate about this design is the self-sharpening stainless steel blades. They stay sharp for years with no oiling or blade maintenance required, which means less hassle and more consistent performance over time. The powerful motor delivers consistent results even on thick, dense or coarse hair. Battery life is seriously generous too, with up to 120 minutes of runtime, which is enough for weeks of grooming on a single charge. Plus, the quick 5-minute charge gives you enough power for one full trim when you're in a rush. And the USB-A charging cable makes it convenient for home or travel use. And as one reviewer put it, this has completely replaced multiple tools in my bathroom. The versatility is unmatched and the build quality feels premium despite the reasonable price. So that's alright. The 100% waterproof design means you can use it in the shower, and the fully washable attachments make cleaning fast and hassle-free. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year Philips warranty, giving you serious peace of mind. But what if you're specifically dealing with a longer, more challenging beard? Well, that brings me to our next pick, the long beard specialist, the Panasonic long beard trimmer for men, the ER-GB96-K. Now, if you're someone who's grown out a substantial beard and regular trimmers just can't handle the length and thickness, the Panasonic ER-GB96-K is going to be your best friend. This trimmer is specifically engineered for longer beards, and the difference in performance is immediately noticeable. So, the advanced blade tapered design is what sets this apart, it really does. It captures more whiskers in a single pass compared to standard trimmers. The high-performance motor powers through dense hair without snags or pulls, which is crucial when you're dealing with longer facial hair that easily can get tangled in weaker trimmers. What I love about this design is the adjustable dial system that provides 58 precise trim settings from 1 to 30 millimeters. Now, that's an incredible range that lets you maintain everything from heavy stubble to a full mountain man beard. You can even trim as close as 0.5 millimeters with no attachment for that detailed edge work if that's what you want. The 4 comb attachments are thoughtfully designed. The slide-on combs align hair for even trimming at different lengths, and there's a special detail attachment for stray hairs and precision shaping. The 5mm detail attachment is perfect for accurate shaping of moustaches, sideburns, and those tricky areas around your neckline. The wider tipped stainless steel blades efficiently catch and cut hair for smooth, uniform results, even on curly or flat-lying hair that gives other trimmers trouble. This is especially important for longer beards, where uneven cutting becomes really obvious because you can just see it. Battery performance is solid with up to 50 minutes of cordless runtime, plus you can trim while plugged in for extended grooming sessions if that's what you need. The IPX7 waterproof design means easy rinsing and safe wet or dry grooming. As Mike mentioned in his review, I've had a long beard for years and struggled with other trimmers that would pull and snag. Ow. This Panasonic cuts through everything smoothly and gives me the precision I need for shaping. The ergonomic slim profile here provides comfortable grip and precise control, which becomes really important during longer grooming sessions. Plus, replacement blades are available, so that's cool, and that helps you maintain optimal cutting quality over time. Speaking of precision and control, let me show you a trimmer that takes styling to the next level. The Fademaster Norelco Philips Beard Trimmer 7000 series. Now here's where things get interesting for guys who want professional level fading and styling capabilities. The Philips Beard Trimmer 7000 series is packed with smart technology that makes creating complex beard styles surprisingly easy. Now, the standout feature here is definitely the BeardSense technology that scans your beard's hair density 125 times a second. It automatically boosts power when it gets thicker sections, ensuring you get consistent results across your entire beard without having to adjust settings manually. With up to 40 built-in length settings, you can create precise fades and gradual transitions that look like you just stepped out of a high-end barbershop. The auto-adjust technology senses hair thickness in real time and delivers optimal cutting power for smooth, even results. And what really impressed me about this trimmer is the dual-cut stainless steel blades that are self-sharpening. They stay as sharp as day one, which means no tugging or skin irritation even after months of use. This is crucial for fade work where you need clean, precise cuts. The included beard fading combs are game changers. They contour to your face for shaded effects. And the click-on wide T-blade and a narrow trimmer, those heads, well, they just give you the extra style definition that you need. You can create professional looking fades, clean up to necklines if you need to, and add detailed styling touches. The 360-degree ergonomic grip makes the trimmer easy to hold and maneuver for all grooming angles, which, you know what, is essential when you're working on complex fade patterns. Plus, it efficiently catches up to 80% of trimmed hairs with the innovative hair mess collector, so cleanup is minimal. That sounds good. As David shared, I used to pay $30 every 2 weeks for fade touch-ups. This trimmer lets me maintain that same look at home, and the results are honestly just as good as my barber's work. That's saying something. The waterproof design supports full wet-dry use, including shower trimming, and the long-lasting lithium-ion battery, well, that provides up to 120 minutes of cordless runtime. The quick 5-minute charge feature is perfect for last-minute touch-ups. But sometimes you want something that's incredibly simple to use while still delivering professional results, which brings me to our next pick. The one-stroke wonder, Manscaped, the Beard Hedger, premium men's beard trimmer. Now, for those guys who want precision without complexity, the Manscaped Beard Hedger represents the perfect balance of simplicity and performance. This trimmer is designed around one core principle, delivering smooth, single-stroke trimming that just works. The unique cutting angle with built-in comb is what makes this special. It lifts flat-lying hairs for smooth, single-stroke trimming. No more going over the same area multiple times or dealing with hairs that lay flat against your skin and get missed by other trimmers. The precision zoom wheel is brilliantly simple, offering 20 different lengths with 0.5mm increments up to 10mm. You can trim anything from stubble to a full beard without having to swap multiple attachments. The intuitive design eliminates guesswork. You just dial in your desired length and go. And what really stands out is the powerful cordless DC motor paired with a 41mm titanium-coated T-blade. Now, this combination cuts through thick facial hair easily without requiring blade oil, and the 7200 RPM motor ensures smooth, even trimming without pulling or snagging. The waterproof IPX7 design with 60 minutes of cordless runtime means you can use it in the shower or on the go. The high-performance battery maintains consistent power throughout your grooming session, which is just what you need. And as one user put it, this is the first trimmer that actually does what it promises. One pass and I'm done. No missed spots, no uneven areas. It's incredibly satisfying to use. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides comfortable control for precise timing, and the compact lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. Plus, it comes with a travel-ready hard-shell, water-resistant case for protection and portability. The titanium-coated stainless steel blades maintain sharpness and durability over time, and the tri-level LED charge indicator clearly displays remaining battery power. The built-in comb attachment helps detangle and lift hairs for more efficient cutting. But what if you want the absolute best of everything? The ultimate all-in-one solution that doesn't compromise on any feature. Well, that's where our final pick comes in. The ultimate all-rounder, the Braun Series 9 all-in-one multi-grooming kit. After testing all these options, the Braun Series 9 all-in-one multi-grooming kit takes the crown as my best overall pick. This kit represents the perfect combination of precision, versatility, and build quality that makes it suitable for any grooming need. Braun has been perfecting grooming technology for decades, and the Series 9 showcases everything they've learned. The 13-in-1 curated grooming kit is designed to trim, detail, contour, fade, body groom, precision shave, and even handle ears and nose with professional-grade precision. And what really impressed me about this particular kit is the Pro Wheel adjustment dial with 40 length settings in precise 0.02-inch steps. Now, that level of control is unmatched. You can dial in exactly the length you want with incredible accuracy. The Pro Lock function locks your selected length to prevent mistakes and ensure consistent results throughout your grooming session. The advanced Pro Blade technology delivers efficient cutting in every stroke, even in tricky or hard to reach areas. So whether you're working on your jawline, under your chin, or around your ears, this trimmer maintains consistent performance. The AutoSense technology is where Braun's engineering really shines. It automatically adapts power to hair thickness, so you get effortless trimming on any hair type. Whether you have fine, coarse, short, or long facial hair, the trimmer adjusts to deliver optimal results. The powerful lithium-ion battery delivers up to 100 minutes of cordless runtime per charge, which is enough for weeks of grooming. The lifetime sharp blades ensure long-lasting cutting performance without frequent replacement, and the fully waterproof design allows easy rinsing and supports wet or dry grooming. As Lisa shared, I bought this for my husband and he's obsessed with it. The precision is incredible and it handles everything from his daily beard maintenance to detailed styling. The build quality feels like it'll last forever. The ergonomic handle provides secure, comfortable control during extended grooming sessions, and it includes a charging standard premium storage case for organized home use and travel. The kit covers every possible grooming need, with beard and hair combs covering lengths from 0.5mm to 20mm, giving you complete styling flexibility. The advanced engineering ensures consistent performance across all attachments and settings. So there you have it, the 5 best adjustable beard trimmers from Amazon. Now, whether you're looking for an affordable all-in-one solution, a specialist for long beards, a fade master for complex styling, a simple one-stroke wonder, or the ultimate premium grooming experience, there's something on this list for you. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you choose the best adjustable beard trimmer for your needs. If you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find the links to all the beard trimmers mentioned in this video. And also, don't forget to watch this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Take it easy, bye!